Agrofelis presents DMDCAN, a precision-engineered control module. Designed in KiCad, our team upgraded the module to a single 4-layer PCB with EMI shielding, optocouplers and CAN bus. PCBWay's intuitive platform ensured fast uploads, quick delivery with a prototyping credit for Agrofelis. The 4-layer boards arrived fast with exceptional quality and pristine traces. Our team sourced components from industry leaders for reliability and scalability. Stencil was used for precise positioning of SMD components. SMD soldering was performed using hot air, enabling rapid fabrication following a compact footprint. Optocouplers, removable terminals and CAN bus performed flawlessly. A compact functional 3D printed box completes this field-ready module. Two DMDCAN modules power the robot's 4-wheel driving system of 3.2 kW of power in total for field-ready steering and towing. Thanks to PCBWay, Agrofelis is advancing agricultural robotics. Thank you for watching.